Hi there, students. Sodden. Sodden. Okay, sodden is an adjective to describe something that has absorbed as much liquid as it can. So, my shoes are absolutely sodden from walking in the rain for 2 hours. Okay, so if you're sodden, you're soaked, you're saturated, you're completely wet. Yeah, you're soggy and perhaps heavy as well. So the football pitch was completely sodden. It had absorbed so much water that it was thick and my coat was sodden after standing in the rain, so full of liquid, covered with liquid. Yeah, absolutely soaked. If something is sodden, it's completely soaked. It's saturated with liquid, particularly with water. Now, very often we use this word sodden as well with alcohol. But particularly with in combination. So my whiskey sodden friend went to sleep on the sofa. Very often something sodden in conjunction like this in a combination. So my alcohol sodden friends were having a really good time. His gin sodden mother was singing a song. A drink sodden reporter, an alcohol sodden writer. Okay, water sodden. My water sodden coat was was going to be very difficult to dry. My rain sodden luggage was waiting for me when I arrived. So sodden, soggy, waterlogged, saturated, completely drenched. Yeah, not just a little bit wet. I knocked over a glass of wine, and the tablecloth became wine sodden. I wondered what to do with the wine sodden tablecloth because it was going to be very difficult to get the stain out. He likes to eat baked potatoes that are sodden with sour cream and butter. I left the roof of the car open, and there was a huge rainstorm, and then I had to sit on the water sodden seat. Okay, so sodden, completely soaked, completely saturated by something, but also saturated by alcohol. His drink sodden mind was not functioning properly. He couldn't think clearly. When I got home, the first thing I did was take off my water sodden clothes, and it was very difficult to take off my water sodden shoes. Okay, so drenched with a soggy saturated liquid. So if something's sodden, it's not really very nice, but also figuratively completely full of alcohol, completely drunk as well. Okay, sodden. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. It sounds a little bit literary, a little bit formal, but I think you can use it anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, there's an Old English word sodden or gesodden, meaning soaked, from Proto-Germanic savanna, to boil or to see, so boiled. And yeah, if something's been boiled in water, then it's going to be completely sodden. I think that's the idea. So it was impossible to play on the rain-sodden pitch in my rain-sodden football boots and my water-sodden jersey. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sodden.